ఇంటర్మీడియట్ విద్యారంగంలో అగ్రగామి మన ఎన్ఎస్ఆర్ ఇంపల్స్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్. ఐఐటి, జేఈఈ అయినా, నీట్ అయినా తిరుగులేని విద్యా సంస్థ ఎన్ఎస్ఆర్ ఇంపల్స్.
2,0. This is 2,0 and 0,2. 2,0 and 0,2. 2,0. Apply in the above equation. 4 plus 0 plus 4g plus 0 plus c is equal to 0. 4g plus c plus 4 is equal to 0. This is one condition. Again it passes through another point. 0,2 implies 0 plus 4 plus 0 plus 4f plus c is equal to 0. That follows 4f plus 4 plus c, or in order if you are written 4f plus c plus 4 is equal to 0. Name it as second equation. And the given circle is intersect orthogonally the circle 2x square plus 2y square plus 5x minus 6y plus 4 is equal to 0. Before applying the condition, you have to consider these two coefficients and the previous general equation, they must be same. To get they are same, dividing by 2 for getting standard form. X square plus y square plus 5 by 2x minus 3y plus 2 is equal to 0. Now, the given equation intersect orthogonally with this. What the condition follows? Intersect orthogonally implies 2g dash plus 2f f dash is equal to c plus c dash. 2g, what is g dash? G dash is 5 by 4 plus 2f, what is f dash? F dash is minus 3 by 2 is equal to c plus, what is c dash? That is 2. C dash is equal to 2. That means by cancelling with the 2, 5g by 2 minus 6f by 2 is equal to c plus 2. 5g minus 6f is equal to 2c plus 4. 5g minus 6f is equal to 2c plus 4. Name it as third equation. We have to solve the equations 1, 2 and 3 by looking into 2 and 3. Subtract them. Take 1 and 2. By looking into 1 and 2, subtract them. 4g, 4f, c and c, 4 and 4 cancel. We have 4g minus 4f, that means g minus f. Therefore, g is equal to f. Apply g is equal to f in this equation. By 3 implies 5g minus 6f is equal to 2c plus 4. 5g minus 6g is equal to 2c plus 4. Minus g is equal to 2c plus 4. G is equal to minus 2c minus 4. Apply this g value in either 1. Say what is the first equation? 4g plus c plus 4 is equal to 0. 4g. What is 4g? Minus 8c minus 16 plus c plus 4 is equal to 0. Simplify this. Minus 7c minus 12 is equal to 0. 7c plus 12 is equal to 0. 7c plus 12 is equal to 0. c is equal to minus 12 by 7. c is equal to minus 12 by 7. Similarly, what is the value of remaining constants by solving? The value of g or f Apply from this. G is equal to minus 2c minus 4. Minus 2c, 24 by 7 minus 4. Minus 28, 12 to 24 plus by 7. 24 minus 28 by 7 minus 4 by 7. This is the value of G and which is same as F. Therefore, the required equation of circle is the required equation x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Apply the values. X square plus y square 2g minus 8 by 7 x minus 8 by 7 y plus c minus 12 by 7 is equal to 0. Or you may write multiplying by 7, you get that equation is multiplying by 7, 7 into x square plus y square minus 8x minus 8y minus 12 is equal to 0. This is the required equation of circle. All of you observe, the solution should be little bit lengthy. You can observe carefully and observe each and every point. Find the equation of circle passing through 2, 0 and 0. This is 2, 0, 2, 0 and 0 comma 2. And having one condition intersecting the circle, this given circle orthogonally. Intersecting the circle orthogonally. You see, this is the general equation. Let the general equation of circle is, and passing through 2, 0, we get one condition. And it was passing through 0 comma 2. It gives another condition. The two circles intersect orthogonally. While applying the condition of orthogonally, you always made this important. The coefficient of x square and y square as 1 and 1. Then only apply the condition. 2gg dash, 2ff dash is equal to c plus c dash. Apply the values, you get third condition. Subtracting 1 and 2 and using the third. You know, all of you very well how to find the G, F, C while finding the circle equation. So then you get what is G, F, C. So therefore the general equation of circle follows, the final answer is x square, y square, 2gx, 2fy plus c. Apply the values. So therefore your answer should be 7 into x square plus y square minus 8x minus 8y minus 12 is equal to 0. Every student, you can do this at least 2 times. You revise 1 or 2 times without looking into your notes. Okay. Come to the next problem. To the next problem. Find the equation of circle. Find the equation of circle. Intersect orthogonally. Intersect orthogonally the circle x square plus y square minus 4x plus 2y minus 7 is equal to 0 and having center at 2 comma 3. This is also one of the important question. Very important question. Find the equation of circle, intersect orthogonally the given circle and having the center lies at. Let the general equation is, let x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 be the required equation. Required circle. Center is equal to minus g minus f. Given what is the center? Given what is the center? 2 comma 3. By comparison, what is g? G is equal to minus 2 and f is equal to minus 3. So we have to find one value of c. C is the only unknown. Intersect orthogonally the circle. Intersect orthogonally the circle x square plus y square minus 4x plus 2y minus 7 is equal to 0. What is the formula here? 2g g dash plus 2f f dash is equal to c plus c dash. 2g g dash minus 2. 2, what is f? What is f dash? Is equal to c. C is unknown. Plus c dash. C minus 7. Simplify, you get the value of c. That implies this is 2 2's 4 2's 8 plus, and this is 3 2's minus 6 is equal to c minus 7. C minus 7 is equal to 2, then c is equal to 9. The value of c is equal to 9. Therefore, the required equation of circle is, the required equation of circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. What is g, f, c? C is equal to 9. You can apply here. That implies the equation is x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 9 is equal to 0. This is the required conclusion. Find, again let us recall, find the equation of circle intersect orthogonally the given circle and having center lies at 2, 3. Come to the solution. Let x square, y square, 2gx, 2fy plus c is equal to 0 be the required general equation, required general circle. What is the center of the circle? Minus g minus f, 2, 3. Comparison, what is the given center and g and f you follow. Now, intersect orthogonally this circle. Apply the condition 2g g dash, 2f f dash is equal to c plus c dash. Writing of all the values and only one unknown, that is c, you get that is c is equal to 9. Therefore, the required equation of circle is just apply g, f, c, you get this is the conclusion. Right? Coming to the next problem. Coming to the next problem. Roman 3 and one question. If the straight line 2x plus 3y minus 1 is equal to 0, intersect the circle x square plus y square minus 4 is equal to 0 at the points A and B. Then find the equation of circle. Having AB as diameter. This model is very important for 4 marks bit. This is a very important one. First of all, you read the data and understood what are the given data. If the straight line intersects circle at 2 different points A and B, then find the equation of circle having this line AB as its diameter. See, there is a given circle like this. It was intersected by another line at 2 different points. Now we have to find a circle which having this line AB as diameter. This AB as the line AB as its diameter. Here you have the center of the new circle. Means that here this S is equal to 0 is one circle and L is equal to 0 is one straight line. We need this dotted circle is nothing but a circle passing through the intersection of S and L. S and L. You know what is the formula of it? Given that S is equal to, what is the circle equation? X square plus Y square minus 4 is equal to 0. And the line L, that is AB. What is the line L? 2x plus 3y minus 1 is equal to 0. Equation of circle passing through the intersection of S is equal to 0 and L is equal to 0 is S plus lambda L is equal to 0. S plus lambda L is equal to 0. Apply the values. That implies x square plus y square minus 4 plus lambda times 2x plus 3y minus 1 is equal to 0. Convert this into the standard equation. X square plus y square minus 4 plus 2 lambda x plus 3 lambda y minus lambda. What is this in the standard order? X square plus y square plus 2 lambda x plus 3 lambda y minus 4 minus lambda is equal to 0. This is the equation of circle. But what is the value of lambda? We have to find the value of lambda. For getting lambda, one condition was given. This circle is having AB as a diameter. You know the diameter means it always passes through center. So write down the center of this circle. Center is equal to minus G minus F minus 3 by 2 lambda. This is the center. Since AB as a diameter, C is equal to minus lambda minus 3 by 2 lambda lies on the line AB. What is the line AB? 2x plus 3y minus 1 is equal to 0. Apply x and y values. Minus 2 lambda minus 3 is 9 by 2 lambda minus 1 is 0. Multiplying by 2 minus 4 lambda minus 9 lambda minus 2 is equal to 0. 13 lambda minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, 13 lambda plus 2 is equal to 0. So, lambda is equal to minus 2 by 13. Lambda is equal to minus 2 by 13. Apply the value of lambda in this equation either here or here, you get required answer. Better comfortably apply here. Therefore, the required equation is of circle is x square plus y square minus 4 plus lambda into 2x plus 3y minus 1 is equal to 0. What is lambda? You have solved here. X square plus y square minus 2 by 13 into 2x plus 3y minus 1 is equal to 0. 13x square plus 13y square minus 52 minus 4x minus 6y plus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, our equation is 13x square plus 13y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 50 is equal to 0. This is the required equation of circle. What is that equation? 13x square, 13y square, minus 4x, minus 6y, minus 50 is equal to 0. Exactly correct. See, let us recall the solution once. If the straight line AB, this line, intersects one circle at two different points A and B, then we need the equation of circle where the line AB has its diameter. Consider S is equal to 0, L is equal to 0. By looking into the data, you can understand the diagram should be like this. There is a circle and it was intersected by line L at two different points A and B. We know that the equation of circle passing through the line of intersection or the intersection of S and L is S plus lambda L is equal to 0. S lambda L. Convert into the standard form. I am writing the center. We have, this is your answer. But for writing the value of lambda, given the line AB has its diameter. Diameter means center always lies on the diameter. Since AB is a diameter, center lies on AB. You should apply, you get what is some lambda value. Now apply the required equation of circle is in the above equation, here or here or here, anywhere you can apply. I am applying here for convenience. Apply lambda, you get simplification. This is your required equation of circle. These are the main models we must have in the very first exercise of this chapter. As an exercise for this, I am giving one problem. Coming to the next problem. This is also a very important question. If the straight line, if the line x plus y minus 3 is equal to 0 is the equation of chord AB, equation of chord AB of the circle, chord AB of the circle x square plus y square minus 2x plus 4y minus 8 is equal to 0. Then find the equation of circle. Then find the equation of circle with AB as diameter. Read the data, it is nothing but the same question, same model question. There is a circle and whose chord is AB, and we need the equation of circle with this line AB as its diameter. AB as its diameter. Apply S plus lambda L is equal to 0. You get a lambda value, and as it is, the model follows your solution. Do in your classwork. That is for your classwork. Do in yourself. Okay. These are the very important standard and all the models coming to exercise A of your system of circles. By our next class, we can go to the next concept and the problems of second exercise. Thank you.